Hey guys, just got back from a catfishing tournament, my first one in 3 years, and let me tell you, it was good to get back and having competitive fishing. But the predicament I had this week was my Livewell that came in my boat from the factory was just too small. I like keeping my fish healthy, plenty of room, good water flow, so I didn't want to do that. So I wanted to figure out a way to make an easy big Livewell, tournament Livewell, that I could take in and out of my boat when I don't need it, just for tournaments. And also, I don't want to do all the recirculating pumps and all that. I wanted to figure out the easiest way. How can I get them fresh water? How can I aerate the water? And how can I get the water out? So what I came up with, and you guys, Facebook Marketplace, I got lucky. Family member had one that they gave to me, but just an easy, toolbox. So raised mine up, and I'll show you why. And then I put my seat pedestals in front so it wouldn't fall when it's full of water. But what I did, the reason I rose it up, and you can see it's dirty from the tournament, but I raised it so I could have this drain through hole out the back, and then it just drains out the back of my boat, so I never have to worry about it. Silicone that's 1.5 inches. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put that link in the description for that. And then there were some holes here and here. I put rivets in it, then I siliconed over. Then this is my favorite thing. It's a Flowrite aerator, so it brings our water in and it sucks air in this hole, so a bunch of bubbles come in with the water. If you plug this hole, only water comes in. But I love that because I could have fresh water coming in and then just goes through, drains out the back through a hole, and I never have to worry about it. Also, what I did, how I get water to it is, well, I got a garden hose right now, but I just connect my garden hose to it, and I wired a bilge pump. So I just connect that here, throw this over the edge of the boat, turn it on, fills up, and then when I want to empty the Livewell at the end, I could just unhook it from here, throw the bilge in the tank, throw the end of the hose over the edge, and drain it. Another thing I did, which I found out I loved in the tournament, was I put the bilge on the timer. For one, I'm worried about saving battery power, but also I got this timer. It's an aerated timer. I got that off of Amazon as well. I'll put that link in the description. But I could turn it on to continuously run, and then I could have it to where it's off for, it runs for a minute, shuts off for 3, then off for 5, runs for 1, and then the one I ran was run for 1, off for 7, and that kept the fish lively. They look great when we weighed them in, and so I loved it. Hopefully that kind of gives you guys an idea if you guys want to do something like this. Just kind of wanting to share that with you guys, and be looking forward to watching that tournament video. I'll be trying to get that edited and put up, but yeah, that's all it is, and real simple. So if you guys can use it, go ahead. If not, there you go. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.